Michael Mosley's autopsy reveals heartbreaking detail about TV doc's untimely death. The body of TV doctor Michael Mosley was discovered 4 days after he went missing on the Greek island of Symi. Michael Mosley's autopsy has reportedly revealed that he died just yards from safety on June 5 after walking in extreme heat. According to local media, the autopsy was completed today in Rhodes, with initial findings revealed he passed away at 4 p.m. and appeared to have rested his hand on a terrace before passing away, showing just how close he was to being found. The autopsy also reportedly shows that it doesn't appear Dr. Mosley sustained any injuries that indicate foul play, but concluded the condition of the remains have made it difficult to establish the exact cause of death. Michael's wife, Dr. Claire Bailey Mosley, confirmed his body had been discovered on Sunday morning in a rocky area near Aegea Marina Beach, on the Greek island of Symi. The 67-year-old had been reported missing on Wednesday after he left Ios Nikolaos Beach to go for a walk at around 13:30 local time. CCTV footage appeared to show the TV doctor making his way down a rocky slope close to a fence before he falls out of view. His widow said Michael appeared to have undertaken an incredible climb, took the wrong route and collapsed where he couldn't be easily seen by emergency search teams. An initial examination by a coroner ruled out foul play. His death sparked an outpouring of grief from his loved ones and fans of his science programs and films, with friends and colleagues praising him for innovating the world of science and health broadcasting. His co-presenter on BBC series Trust Me, I'm a Doctor, Chris Van Tulleken, hailed him as one of the most important broadcasters of the last few decades as he paid tribute. Van Tulleken wrote on X, "Michael wasn't just a rock-solid friend, he was an incredibly generous human to everyone he worked with.